Hi, so here's the next update on the work on Chappie's head. Um, so at the moment I'm printing the left, this is the front um, left hand side. Um, so that's 63%. Um, I couldn't do any printing yesterday because basically out most of the day. And I haven't actually got my printer set up properly. At one stage, well, I've got a workbench over here. I had two, was it CR10 S5 sitting there, and I had a camera and like a Bluetooth on-off switch. I had that all set up. I just haven't got this set up at the moment. My son's taken advantage of that bench for doing some leather work. Anyway, side track. So yeah, I didn't want to leave this printing by itself without being able to keep an eye on it. But that's printing okay. So that's probably got another few hours to go. I've bolted these two pieces together that I've already printed, and as you'll get familiar with all my work, I basically use M4 by 15mm bolts. I always make my thickness of any of my props generally 5mm thick, so that's 10mm to 15mm bolts. Gives us plenty of room there. So we'll just see how this goes. So I'm pretty sure that print will turn out okay. I'm really getting used to, as I mentioned before, using glass print bed. I've gone through the whole process of using tape on the print bed. I tried one of those magnetic mats and I had trouble with that. Tried glass on and off. It's only since I've started using this Alma's glue and putting on at the right time, like when it's about 40-50 degrees, when the print bed is 40 or 50 degrees, that it's actually been holding my prints pretty well. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. It'd be good to get this printed, the majority of the head reprinted over the coming week. So perhaps by next weekend I'll have a completed head to show you. Well, head base unit. In case you hadn't noticed that already, this is a 3D print of, well, if you're familiar with it, Space 99's Eagle Transporter. I created the 3D model of this. It's a 44-inch version, which is extremely big, as you can imagine. So I can't really show you with one hand all this, but separate. These are two separate sections. There's an inside box here. This front comes off. Again, this is one of those projects and STLs that I've created on my Patreon. And as you'll see in the description, and as I've mentioned before, it's Sci-Fi Props. Is my Patreon, where you can get all the STLs for all my work, including Chappie. Anyway, I'll keep you updated as I go.